gardening day. I'm going to plant the vegetables and flowers that we got from the nursery earlier, and I am so ready with this farmer defense sleeves. This is to protect my arms against insect bites and allergens and scratches. But the main purpose of this is really, this is the company Farmers Defense. But the main purpose of this really is to protect against ultraviolet rays or UV rays. This has like UPF 50 protection. And I'm going to put the link down below if you're interested. This is really nice. It doesn't compress, but it snugs very well, as you can see. It goes up to here, so it protects a portion of your hand, but it allows your fingers to like move freely to do the gardening stuff. So this is from Farmers Defense. Let's go. These are the plants that we got. We have kale, we have this beets, the colorful beets, and we have lettuce, we have thyme, and then because our thyme did not survive during summer, and then we have this beautiful pansies, and what else? Oh, I got some strawberries too, and this salad, these are lettuce. I saw a bird. And then this is red giant. I think this is like purple Osaka mustard. And then I have another one here. This is also like the salad. This is kale. I have the curly kale on the side yard. This is lacinato kale, and this is Russian kale. And this one is joy choy. It's not like common because, as you can see, look at the stem. It's colorful. It's like purplish pink, but it doesn't look really well. Kind of like struggling, but I'll try to revive. Hopefully they survive. So this is joy choy. The regular joy choy is kind of like this with white like stalk, but this is the not so common, so I like this one. What else? Oh, like spinach too. And like we got some seeds too. I'm a little impatient gardener, so I don't usually grow plants from seeds unless they are like unique, like this one. This is a packet of Romeo carrot seeds. This one is daikon radish, mini purple. This one I've grown before. This is watermelon radish. This is rutabaga. And then the colorful beets. Oh no, actually radish. So I'm growing this 5 from seeds. Romeo carrots, daikon radish mini purple, colorful radish or radish mix, watermelon radish, and then the rutabagas. They are all root vegetables. But the rest but the leafy greens, I'm growing them from seedlings. So we have these 3 raised beds or raised boxes. We used to grow tomatoes on those 2 boxes, and then we still have the peppers here. So I need to transplant them into another box, or probably on a pot, because I need this box for the lettuce or for the salad, and then the other 2 for the spinach. We need to cultivate the soil. the soil that I use is GNB Organics Harvest Supreme. It has like 15% manure, so it's a soil amendment, a premium soil amendment. These are the vegetables that I'm going to plant on this box. The Joy Choy, the beautiful Joy Choy with a pink stalk, but it seems struggling, so I try to revive this. And then this one is the Bok Choy or Pak Choy. I'm not sure if I could fit another 6, so these are 12 already. I'm using this garden kneeler, so it's like more comfortable. I'm also going to put the link down below for this one and this one, the Farmer's Defense. Colorful one here. I am going to transplant these peppers, but before I already uprooted some of them, but so before I do, I'll just like harvest the fruits. Look at this, beautiful. This one I used them yesterday. I used the leaves yesterday for the chicken soup. I'm going to plant the lettuce here, or the like salad medley. This too. I'll dry some. Colorful. I think some of them are like Cicero. Here are the peppers, colorful. To grow salad because it's really handy when you have like those greens for lunch. Oh, there are more here actually, look. I missed this. Since we work from home, so during lunchtime I can just like snip some salad or lettuce and then add some protein, and then lunch. That will be lunch. So here you go, always like fresh. When you grow your own vegetables, you have like the freshest vegetables. Break time, let's have ice cream. This is Filipino ice cream, ubi ice cream from this one, Arce Dairy. I think that should be enough. There's a lot of it. Let's eat our ubi. So that one is done. That one I still have to prepare, and the next one is this one. I'm going to plant a lettuce here. So I added the soil amendment already on top, but then when I plant, I am going to add more. So let's check how many I need to plant here. Oh, I have a garden helper. 1 second. My garden helper is here. Hi Josh, are you going to help me?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. I need help. I need some helping hands. Huh? I'm planting lettuce.
Oh my gosh. It's totally blocked up.
Are you going to go to your workshop?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need to check first and then I'm gonna.
Okay, you can move the chair here. Thank you. My garden helper is here. He is the, what's your role?
Digger.
Is the digger. I'm the planter. Just come on, move closer. Closer here. So I have these lettuces. So next would be this one on this box.
If you made it this far into the video and you have not subscribed yet, then click that subscribe button. It's right down below, that red button.
Now I am going to plant this lettuce. My garden helper is very helpful. We added a soil amendment on that last box. We finished this one and that one and then the other one. Josh, we don't need to exercise later. This is enough exercise for the day. On this last box, we are planting the purple Osaka mustard and then the spinach. So lots of leafy greens during winter season. Again, this is the company Farmers Defense, but I'm going to put the link down below.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and watch our other videos. Bye!
Time to mist them or water them.